Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. Today we're going to go over another Martin service body. This is the HSB service body, the high service body. This is 57-inch tall body. It's going to be cab height on most trucks. This is on an 84-inch cab to axle Ram 5500. Now when you go with the 84-inch cab to axle, that puts you at 134-inch total length. And that'll give you 2 doors in front of the wheels, your 2 doors above the wheel, and a vertical door behind. If you were to go with a 60-inch cab axle or a pickup delete, you'd only get 1 door in front of the axle. Now this door will vary on size depending on what different applications and trucks it'll go on. Let's take a dive into these. So Martin also, they call these their EcoMax service bodies. A lot of guys always ask what that is. That is Martin's brand on these. This one here is a standard body, and it is painted to match the Ram 5500. In this front compartment here, it's going to come standard with 3 shelves in here with dividers in them. These shelves are on a unistrut in here, so you can adjust them up and down. We can also add shelves, take shelves in and out, however you like to outfit it for your operation. They also use an aluminum piano hinge, automotive style bulb that's going to be protruding outward, so that way any water comes down, it's not going to go right in, it's got to go around the door seal. They also do put a really nice drip edge on top of this. Now the top of this here is 3/16 smooth aluminum, so that's going to be a really heavy duty that just holds the whole shell together really nice. 3 shelves in this compartment. All your vertical compartments are going to have your 3 shelves to them. This one here as well, 3 shelves. Now remember, we can pull these shelves and we can take and put in a drawer unit if you'd like. Another cool thing on the Martin bodies, they vent their service bodies, so that way everything closes good, and then also you don't have condensation problems. So they have some holes in the bottom with a channel that's protecting those holes, and then there's airflow throughout the whole body. I'll show some pictures of that as well. So that just keeps your tools from condensating on a hot, humid day. The box over top the axle here, this is where we're going to put your fuel filler. If you have DEF or another tank, it'll go here as well. This box here, nice box, opens upwards. Put pack outs for whatever you need to haul in there. Your supplies, tools, fittings. Now these are the whale tail latches, and these are just a steel latch, powder coated with a chrome handle. Now we can upgrade these latches to an all stainless steel handle. That's a really good upgrade. Makes it really look good on these bodies, and it's going to last really long. Same thing here, 3 shelves. That way you can adjust those however you want them. Let's move over here, take a look at the back end here. Diamond plate bumper on here. On this one here, this has our heavy duty hitch. This is our 2.5-inch receiver hitch. Martin Truck Bodies builds them. We have them hot dip galvanized. That way that hitch is going to look the same 5 years down the road. It will not rust out. Service body tailgate on here. 1 handle operation. Comes standard with 4 D-rings in here. On this one here, Martin's uses an extruded floorboard in this. And these are an 8-inch tongue and groove board, and they're 3/16 thick. So that'll get your cross members 8 inches on centers. It's going to have your 4 tie-down rings in here. And then this cargo area here is 48.5 inches. So that way you can get a piece of plywood in there, pallets. All LED lights, Optronics LED lights, sealed wiring harness, and on the cab and chassis trucks, we have plug and play wiring harnesses, so that way we can just plug them in to your existing harnesses on the truck. No cutting or splicing, everything's a plug and play. Let's move over to this side here, and we'll show you this side of the bed. So this bed's going to be really similar to the other side. This is going to be the same. You got your 3 shelves, in each of your vertical compartments, so that way you can adjust them up and down, and you have your dividers in there. We can add tool drawers in there, lots of different things. Gas shocks on all the doors. Look how them doors open really nice. This one here, it's the full width on this one because we don't have the fuel filler necks. And this one would be the same as on the other side. Now we can change these configurations out a little bit if you want something different. This one here is going to have the same three shelves in there. And the same story on this one here. If you have any questions about any of these bodies, guys, feel free to reach out to us. We can help you out speccing this out to your custom design or abilities for what you're using your bed for. Give us a call, 330-933-7526, or check us out on the internet, aletruckbeds.com. Have any questions? We can upgrade these to extra lights, compartment lighting, locks, inverters, tool drawers, you name it, we can put it in these to make it your own. Feel free, guys, give us a call. If you're needing help with buying a truck, give us a call too. We do have a network of dealers that we work with for Ram, Ford, GM, that we can help you out with those as well. Thanks for sticking around on the cold Ohio weather. It just started snowing on us, so stay warm. We'll see you on the next one.